You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set. This is actually an 8 on 8 teeth. It is 925 solid sterling silver with the diamond cuts and the diamond dust finish. Now this is handmade, guys, for a perfect fit. Show you the back side. This just snaps right on the teeth. There's no silicone mold involved. It just snaps on real nice and tight. It's made from an actual impression of your teeth, so it's going to fit perfectly. Check that out. It's a beautiful set, real custom fitted grills, really a masterpiece made by our jeweler. Check that out. You can get this on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US, quick service. Beautiful product, guys. Check us out online, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.